From the SportsLink studios here on the campus of Ball State University, this is Trip Central presented by Victory Honda of Muncie. I'm Hudson French. To start off this week's show, all of us here at SportsLink want to join in with the College Sports Information Directors of America as part of Thank Your SID Week. For Ball State, thank you Brad, Tyson, Paula, and Josh for all the help and support that allows us to do what we do at SportsLink. It's another busy week in Ball State sports as 14 events are set between Wednesday and Sunday. One of those teams, women's basketball, looking to extend their win streak to 3 games over Miami Wednesday night in Worthing. Sophomore guard Sydney Freeman drilled a three-pointer with 7 seconds remaining in the game to give Ball State a 68-64 win over Eastern Michigan. The Cardinals travel to Western Michigan Saturday. After a split at nationally ranked George Mason last week, men's volleyball looks to open their home season Thursday against Lincoln Memorial. Blake Reardon was named MIVA Offensive Player of the Week after pounding 49 kills in the 2 matches against George Mason. The 2 matches this week will be on ESPN3, produced by SportsLink. The defending MAC champions of women's volleyball enter a 4-match road trip Thursday and Friday at Buffalo. They opened their season 2-0 after defeating Akron last week. Here's a look back from SportsLink's Nathan Ganger. Esports Collegiate Conference action is underway as 2 of the very best in College League of Legends are set to meet Wednesday night. That'll be Ball State and Northern Illinois. The program is led by head coach and director of esports, Dan Marino.
This upcoming season, so the spring season, is all about setting the foundations. Obviously, you want to succeed, you want to have, you want to win in playoffs and hopefully take home championships. But with it being a new program, you want to make sure that the processes and the procedures and the culture are correct first. And if you win while doing that, great. But it's more important that we set up the right foundations so that in future seasons we can win and we can win the way we want to. So right now it's all about making sure that the students are buying in to the program and to the fact that yes, this is a varsity level competition, which requires a little bit more accountability, a little bit more effort than just playing casually would. So it's about setting that culture, setting those expectations, and then getting through the first season, because there will be ups and downs and there will be challenges, and there will be some turbulence in terms of the structures and people making the transition to a more serious competitive environment.
For her part in helping guide the Ball State women's volleyball team to a pair of wins over Akron last week, freshman setter Kate Vincent has been named the Mid-American Conference West Division Setter of the Week. Vincent made her college setting debut a memorable one, guiding the offense to a .253 attack percentage in the 2-match series versus the Zips. Ball State outside linebackers coach Corey Connolly is adding the role of recruiting coordinator to his duties with the football program. Connolly completed his 6th season with the Cardinals in 2020 and his 3rd as outside linebackers coach. He helped lead Ball State to its first MAC championship since 1996, its first ever bowl win, and its first year-end national ranking in the AP Top 25. Gymnastics scored 193.5 in its season opener Sunday to defeat Central Michigan. Arden Hudson was the meet's top scorer in both bars and beam. Her bar score tied her career best, and she now has 5 career first-place finishes. Ball State hosts Illinois State Sunday. And finally, a shout out to our own Connor Onion. The SportsLink alum made his Big Ten Network play-by-play debut Sunday. Onion is also the TV voice of the Southern Illinois Salukis. Be sure to tune in to SportsLink's production of men's volleyball on ESPN3 Thursday and Friday. And stay locked in on our social medias at BSU SportsLink for all the latest in Ball State sports. For Chirp Central, I'm Hudson French. Chirp, chirp.